Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to clear Instagram search history. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then tap on search bar and click on search. Okay, then search name. Okay, then back and search on any person. Okay, then back, try another person. Okay, then all history in Instagram. Okay, to clear Instagram search history. Okay, then tap on cross icon, just click this delete search history and tap on see all and clear all, just click and clear search history. Okay, then tap on clear all, just click to clear Instagram search history. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.